So caffeine is a supplement where there's been a lot of research done behind its effect on performance, and we do know that when dosed correctly based on your body weight, so 1 to 3 milligrams per kilo of body weight, it can reduce the perception of fatigue and help you push through certain sporting events or training sessions like marathons, for instance. I think with caffeine, it's just very important that you trial that in at least a few training sessions prior. So with the sort of up and down motion of running a marathon, there can be some athletes that struggle with some gastrointestinal complaints. And if you're adding caffeine on top of that, particularly if you're a little bit nervous or worked up on a race day, for instance, that the caffeine could potentially exacerbate those gastrointestinal systems. So please always try first, and just keep in mind that with caffeine, we do find them in some sports supplements. So things like gels, you can get regular gels or ones with added caffeine. So just make sure that you're checking the flavors that you're using and just aware of where you may actually find that.